Somewhere across the globe, a patient waits not for a miracle, but for a medicine that could save their life. A medicine that exists, but isn't available in their country. For them, hope lies in something extraordinary: the Named Patient Program. The Named Patient Program, NPP, serves as a vital pathway for patients facing serious or rare medical conditions to access essential medications that are not yet approved or available in their home countries. This legally and ethically supported framework empowers physicians to request life-saving treatments on behalf of their patients, ensuring that border does not become a barrier to care. ICRIS Pharma Network plays a crucial role in this global healthcare initiative. As a trusted partner in Named Patient Program, we are committed to facilitating the safe, compliant, and timely delivery of hard-to-access medicines, bridging the gap between medical innovation and the patients who need it most. Whether it's a child in India fighting a rare genetic disorder or a woman in Africa battling an aggressive cancer, ICRIS ensures the unapproved medicine they need reaches them safely, legally, and in time. We work hand in hand with healthcare providers, regulators, and global manufacturers to make the impossible possible. We have our own setup, ICRIS Pharma International, IPI, in Belgium and Bulgaria, which works as our sourcing offices. IPI works under EU compliance standard operating procedures, having EU Good Distribution Practice (GDP) certificate for medicines and health products. Through its expertise in regulatory compliance, global sourcing, and patient-centric logistics, ICRIS facilitates access to hard-to-find and orphan medicines for patients across 150-plus countries. Whether it is for oncology, rare genetic disorders, neurological conditions, or advanced cell and gene therapies, our team ensures timely, legal, and ethical access through the Named Patient Program. With a vision to make innovative therapies accessible across borders, with over a decade of experience, ICRIS Pharma Network has earned the trust of healthcare providers and regulatory bodies worldwide as a dependable partner in advancing equitable healthcare. Through the Named Patient Program, we don't merely supply medicine, we enable access, instill confidence, and offer hope to those who need it most.